good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook crab stick alfredo. Okay, so these are all the ingredients: salt, black pepper, soy sauce, cheese, flour, parmesan cheese, all-purpose cream, milk, garlic, onions, spring onions, and then the crab stick butter. The butter. And then saute the garlic. Then the onions. And then this one guys, the spring onion. And then the pasta also. The pasta is cooking right now. Okay. Add the milk, guys. A cup of milk. Okay, before I continue that one, I'm gonna look the pasta first because Okay guys, it's already cooked al dente. I'm gonna get the pasta water. Okay, that's it. Init. A little pasta water. Okay. Guys. Okay. Black pepper. A little salt. A little soy sauce to have a color. Okay guys, cubes. And then, I got this one. then this the crab stick. Wow, but guys, it's super yummy already. Mm. And then just a little of Parmesan cheese. Just a little of Parmesan cheese. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Now we're gonna add the pasta. Let's try to taste. Mm. Okay. Okay. Not so much, guys, because I don't want the pasta will become dry later. It's nice if there's a sauce. It's creamy. Creamy. Creamy crab stick pasta. Mm. Mm. Okay guys, that one is done. Creamy crab stick or crab stick Alfredo. Okay. And then, okay guys, that's our crab stick Alfredo. Okay. And I'm gonna test it. Just a little. It's yummy, guys. It's yummy. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, DBroja, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, personal blog, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.